For homeowners in Pell City, comfort and energy savings often go hand in hand. Between Alabama's hot, humid summers and cool winter nights, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature can be a challenge, especially if your windows are outdated or inefficient. One upgrade that offers both elegance and performance is the bay window. Known for their signature outward projection and panoramic design, bay windows don't just make rooms look bigger and brighter, they also provide impressive energy efficiency benefits throughout every season. Here's how bay windows can transform the way Pell City homes manage light, temperature, and comfort all year long. Maximizing natural light without the heat. One of the most appealing features of bay windows is the way they capture natural light from multiple angles. Their three-panel design, typically a large center window flanked by two smaller ones, allows sunlight to flood your home, reducing your reliance on artificial lighting during the day. However, modern bay windows are designed to bring in light without bringing in unwanted heat. Thanks to low emissivity coatings and double or triple pane glass, they filter harmful UV rays and reflect excess solar energy. For Pell City homeowners, that means you get all the brightness of Alabama sunshine, while keeping your living spaces cooler and more comfortable. Improved insulation and temperature control. Older or poorly sealed windows often allow warm air to escape in the winter and cool air to leak out in the summer. That's a major cause of rising energy bills for many homes in Pell City. Modern bay windows are built with energy-efficient glass and insulated frames that help maintain a stable indoor temperature. They feature argon or krypton gas fills between panes for better insulation, weather-tight seals to prevent air infiltration, thermally efficient frame materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, that resist warping and heat transfer. This combination of technologies ensures your home stays cozy in the winter and cool in the summer, without overworking your HVAC system. Harnessing passive solar heating in winter. During Pell City's cooler months, bay windows can actually help you capture free solar warmth. Because of their angled design, they collect sunlight from multiple directions, allowing natural heat to enter your home. If you position your bay windows on south or west-facing walls, they can act as a natural heat source, reducing your need for artificial heating. This process, known as passive solar gain, is one of the easiest ways to improve energy efficiency without increasing your utility costs. Reducing drafts and enhancing comfort. Drafty windows are not only uncomfortable, they also waste energy. Bay windows, when properly installed, form a tight, weatherproof seal that eliminates cold spots and drafts near your window areas. For Pell City homeowners, this means better comfort all year long. No more sitting near windows and feeling the temperature drop in winter or heat up during summer. High-quality bay windows maintain a consistent environment in every room. Energy savings that add up over time. Energy-efficient windows are an investment that pays off. According to Energy Star, homeowners can save hundreds of dollars annually on heating and cooling costs by upgrading to high-efficiency models. In Pell City, where air conditioning runs for much of the year, bay windows can make a noticeable difference. Their insulation and solar control features reduce the strain on your HVAC system, extending its lifespan while cutting monthly bills. The long-term energy savings, combined with the beauty and comfort they bring, make bay windows a smart and practical home improvement. Adding value, style, and brightness beyond their energy performance, bay windows dramatically enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. They create a feeling of openness, expand usable space, and can even serve as a cozy reading nook or seating area. Prospective buyers in Pell City appreciate homes that combine style, efficiency, and comfort, making bay windows a feature that increases both your home's appeal and resale value. A year-round advantage for Pell City homeowners. From reducing energy costs to brightening interiors and improving comfort, bay windows deliver benefits that last all year long. Their combination of smart design, energy-efficient construction, and timeless style makes them an ideal choice for Alabama homes. To get the best results, work with a trusted Pell City window installation professional who understands the local climate and can recommend high-performance window options. With expert installation and quality materials, your new bay windows will not only look stunning but also help your home stay efficient and comfortable, season after season.